The Universe and Space Fact File. The universe is made up of thousands of millions of galaxies, large clouds of dust and gas in the space between them. No one knows the size of the universe. It may be continuing infinitely in all directions. The galaxies are moving away from each other at a very fast speed. This means that the universe is expanding all the time since it was formed. The first in space. Isaac Newton is the first creator of rules regarding the space research. Laika, a dog, is the first living being sent in space. Vostok 1 is the first ever manned spacecraft. Alexei Leonov is the first man moved in space. Skylab is the first space laboratory in orbit. Sputnik 1 is the first artificial satellite launched into space. Space exploration. Aldebaran, a red giant star in the constellation of Taurus, the 14th brightest star seen from the Earth. Castor. Along with Pollux, it is one of the twin sons of Leda in mythology. It is seen in the constellation of Gemini. Pollux, also one of the Gemini twins. Polaris, the North Pole star. Regulus, the brightest star in the constellation of Leo. It is a blue-white star. Vega, the 5th brightest star in the sky. It is about 26 light years away from the Earth. The mean distance of the Earth from the Sun is about 149,407,000 kilometers. The Earth has only one satellite, the Moon. The Solar System. The Sun, the 8 planets, along with their respective satellites, the asteroids, the meteors, the comets, the interplanetary dust, and the electrically charged gases, called the plasma, together make up the solar system. The Sun accounts for 99.85% of the mass of the solar system. The Sun and other stars are composed of hydrogen and helium. The glowing surface of the Sun is called the photosphere. Mercury is the innermost and the swiftest planet. The Earth is called the blue planet. Jupiter is the coldest planet. Neptune is the fastest orbiting planet. Mercury has the deepest oceans. Natural wonders. Bermuda Triangle is one of the 2 places on the Earth where the magnetic compass points towards the true north and not the magnetic north. It is associated with a number of unexplained losses of ships, boats, and aircraft. The Great Barrier Reef, 2,000 kilometers long natural wonder, is also visible from the Moon. It is becoming a victim of problems like global warming, El Nino, etc. Angel Falls is 15 times higher than the Niagara Falls and have the longest free fall of water in the world. They were discovered by an American pilot. Krakatoa volcano has a record of erupting repeatedly, massively, and with disastrous consequences. Its eruption in 1883 generated the loudest sound ever recorded by human beings. The eastern extremity of Bay of Fundy sees the highest tides in the world. While the average tide is about 12 meters high, it can go as high as 16 meters.